If you have a smartphone and a laptop, you can make money with AI Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn these simple, faceless AI videos into $938 per day or more in affiliate commissions. In other words, I'm going to show you how to work smarter, not harder. And there's just a few simple steps you need to follow. I have them outlined here. And basically, what I'm going to be showing you is how to turn AI content, whether it's generated with ChatGPT or any other tool, and how to automate that to a variety of different accounts and turn that into affiliate commissions. Again, $938 or more. And that $938 commission you're seeing here is from a single sale. So if you're able to make one sale a day with what I'm showing you here, you can easily earn $938 in commissions. So I have the exact steps that we're going to follow here, but before we get into it, I want you to do me a favor and comment yes on this video if you want bots making money for you. That's what I'm going to show you in this video, how to make money clicking buttons. So if that gets you excited, comment yes on this video and be sure to stick around until the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to get 30 AI videos scheduled to your social media accounts for one single dollar. So let's get into the exact steps you need to follow to make money online with this step. So step one is to become an affiliate for some of the AI tools at copythelist.com. This is super easy. Most people don't even realize how easy it is to start making money online with AI, and you can get started right now by heading to copythelist.com. At copythelist.com, you can click one of these green buttons here to make a copy of this spreadsheet, and what this is a list of different AI affiliate offers. In other words, referral programs for AI software and different business automation tools. And all you need is an email address, and you can sign up for any of these different offers here and start promoting them to make money online. So each time you make a sale through your link, you earn a commission. So again, that's how you'll be able to earn $938 per more in commissions, is by going to copythelist.com, choosing some of these offers that you might be interested in promoting, and then getting started with what I'm showing you here in this video. So that's the first step: become an affiliate for AI tools so that you actually have something to promote that will make you money online. So the next step is to create your AI content and put it into a spreadsheet. Now, I'm not going to spend a ton of time in this video showing you how to create AI content, because we could spend hours going over that stuff, but everything you need to create this content is here on this list at copythelist.com. Look, there's an AI video creation tool, there's an AI funnel maker which will help you build AI sales funnels, there's an AI voice cloner and AI voice generator, so you can create AI voices, you can create AI videos, there's an AI chatbot you can add to your website, AI writing bots, all kinds of different AI tools here that you can use to create content. So I don't need to spend a ton of time on that. You can go through this at your leisure and learn how to use whichever ones you want. Or to be honest with you, sometimes I don't even use AI. If I'm feeling super lazy, I just point at my computer screen here. You can see there's several videos on my account here getting hundreds of views, where I'm literally just pointing at my computer screen saying, hey, check out this website. So it's super easy. It doesn't really matter how you create this content. The important thing is that we're just getting this created so that we can get it scheduled into the bot, which is really going to take things up a notch. So that's step two: create the AI content. And then what's important is we want to put that content into a spreadsheet. And the reason we want to do that is because step three is to upload the spreadsheet and automate posting to many accounts. And we're going to do that using a tool at automatereels.com. So Basically, what I was saying is you can create this content with AI. So say you just wanted to create controversial questions to get people commenting on your Facebook post. Here I've asked it to create me 100 controversial questions. So here it's writing them out, and these are obviously questions that are going to get people engaging with my profile. So you could do this with video content or any kind of content you want, but I just want to show you how easy this is. I clicked a button and I got 100 posts, so that's over 3 months of daily content. And so all we have to do is then put that content into a spreadsheet. Like I said, step 3 or step 2 is to create the content and put it to a spreadsheet, and then step 3 is to upload the spreadsheet and automate the posting to multiple accounts. So once we have this spreadsheet created, here you can see I have my titles, my captions, the URLs for the videos I want to create. So now all I have to do is choose what date I want this content to start. So let's say I want this content to start today, then I'm just going to click on this blue dot right here and drag this down. And so now I have 30 days worth of content scheduled here in this spreadsheet. So all we have to do now with this spreadsheet is come to automatereels.com and use this tool here. And by the way, there's a free trial of this tool, so you can actually go ahead and schedule out your first month of content for free. But all we have to do here is click here where it says bulk CSV import, and this will let me just click a button and upload the spreadsheet that I've created here into this tool. So now you can see this is a calendar, so the green ones are what have already posted, yellow is not yet posted, and if I click on one of these, you can see that this is an AI video here. This is an AI generated video, and it's getting posted to 8 different accounts, a YouTube channel, a bunch of different Facebook pages, a TikTok account, and it's all happening with the click of a button. Not just the click of a button, but the uploading of a spreadsheet. So you could see that I have content going for the rest of the month and several months into the future just from uploading a simple spreadsheet like this. And again, much of the content is AI, much of it is just faceless videos where I'm pointing at my computer screen. And doing this has earned me tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions, just like the one you're seeing here. So if you're following along, if this is making sense to you, comment yes on this video so that I know you're with me. What I'm showing you is how to make money with AI Reels, up to $938 per day, assuming you're able to get a single sale. Obviously, the sky is the limit. There's nothing stopping you from making as many sales as you want doing this. So the last step is optional if you want to take this up a notch to the pro level. This is a little more than I can cover in this video, but you can actually set up an opt-in and an automated email sequence. So an opt-in is just a basic landing page where somebody enters their email address, and then you can send them an automated email sequence that promotes the links on this checklist. Again, this is at copythelist.com. You can sign up for these affiliate offers, and then you can actually have an automated email sequence that sends out as many of these different money-making affiliate links as you want on autopilot. So again, that's a little more than I'm going to cover in this tutorial, but if that's something you want to set up, the tool I use to do that is at funnelsforever.com. You can head to funnelsforever.com and grab the email automation tool I use. So the last thing I want to show you here before we finish the video is how to get 30 AI videos scheduled in the next 15 minutes for $1, and you can do that by heading to videonuke.com. If you head to videonuke.com right now, you can instantly download my spreadsheet of pre-scheduled content. That's this exact spreadsheet that you're looking at here, and you can choose whatever date you want this content to start. You can edit any of this information you want. If you want to change the caption, the hashtags, if you want to change the video title, whatever you want to do, you can do that. And then all you have to do is go here where it says file and go to download and download this as a CSV here where it says comma separated values. Literally just click that button, download this spreadsheet. Then you're going to come over here into the scheduling tool, and again, this tool is at automatereels.com, and there is a free trial of this tool. So again, for a single dollar, you can download my spreadsheet, of AI content here, and then you could just come over here into the tool, click this bulk CSV import, then you're going to click on the spreadsheet to upload it. And as you can see here, what it's doing is putting all of these videos into the calendar. So all you have to do is click next, and it's going to schedule out. It's going to ask you which channels you want to post this to. So you just enter whatever social media channels you want in here. You enter your different accounts and click them, and now suddenly look, I have this scheduled to 8 different accounts, 30 days worth of content scheduled to 8 different accounts, and it took me less than a minute to do it. So you can absolutely do the same thing. You could do it right now. You can grab this exact spreadsheet of AI videos that are going to start getting views and followers on your account, and you could do it all for $1 right now at videonuke.com. So why waste time making and uploading your own videos when you could click a few buttons and repost my AI videos and get traffic for the next month, and you can do it all for $1. So head to videonuke.com right now if that's something you're interested in. Honestly, I try to set this up to make the all-time laziest way to get traffic possible. Of course, you can go again to copythelist.com and use these AI tools to create your own videos, but if you're too lazy to do that, then you can grab my videos for $1 at videonuke.com, and literally in less than 5 or 10 minutes you can have a month's worth of content scheduled using this tool at automatereels.com. So I hope this helped not only clarify how to make money online with AI Reels, but how you can get started and hopefully get to the point where you're earning $938 or more per day doing this stuff. And like I said, I've tried to make it as easy as possible for you by just giving you my spreadsheet for $1 at videonuke.com. So if you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below. Click the bell icon if you want to get a notification each and every time I upload a new video. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.